Greetings, Mark Brown. Here we're going to be looking at how we can hide this taskbar right underneath here. Yeah, it's very important. We can right click on the desktop right here and we can come right here to personalization, right? You notice? And then we can come right here and click. Notice it take you right here to the taskbar. Otherwise, you can actually click right here and then you can type in settings right here. And notice this come up and there you go. You go to personalization. Right, there you go to taskbar. So what you wanted to do, you notice, you're going to check this. You're going to check it, you realize it's not there. Now that's, you put the cursor down there. You notice you haven't seen it so far. So what you wanted to do, you click again, uncheck it. You notice it come up. So whenever time you go inside and you don't see it, you can actually come and uncheck it right there. So it's very important that you pay close attention to that particular thing. So it's very important how you actually do that. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.